Hello guys, here you see the monomial equation. So today I am gonna show you how to multiply monomial by monomial. So here you see the monomial equation. So first I show you what is the monomial equation. Monomial equation is the one term. So here you can include number, variable, lot of variable like more than one. So you can add it to multiplication, but you didn't mention addition and subtraction. If you mention the addition and subtraction, these are not the monomial, these are the another equation like binomial, polynomial. So here you see you can find only terms, one terms. So these are the monomial. So here you see these are the monomial equation because here I didn't find any more terms with added sign and minus sign. So here is the second equation which one also have a monomial all rules. Here you see the here have the variable or number and have multiplication symbol. Here you didn't find addition symbol. So when you find addition symbol, these are not the monomial. So now I'm gonna show you how to multiply that one. So when you multiply, so you just take the serially number. You just I didn't just check the first one first. Then you identify the serial variable. You take the number variable first. So here you see the second one also have number variable, but always if you didn't find the number variable, here didn't have mentioned, you must be write down the number variable. So it's okay. So if you find the number in the second one, you can take within the first bracket, just separate that one. Then you see the next one is the first monomial equation have the x, so I take the x and I take the second is square because here also have x. So next one is the y, so I take the y, and the second one also y cube, so I take that one. So in the next one is z, but here you see the second equation didn't have any x, any z, so I didn't write down there. Just I write down the first one. So the first one already finished. So the next one is C. So I write down that C. So here you see the second equation also C. So I write down that one. Then I see the first one, all things are already finished. Here didn't have any remainder one. So here you see the next one. So remaining one I didn't have find, but here you see the left one have A and B. So I must be write down the left one A and B, and all terms already take in the first here the first step. So what I do, just multiply for 12 and 4 multiplied 48. Here I have the base is x, so I write down that one. The power is 1 and 2, so I added that one. Here is the base is y, so I write down that one, and the power is 3, so I added that one. So similar way I do the next thing. X to the power 4. Here is the c is 1, so I write down the base and I added the power 1 and 1, so I find c square. Here you see the a and b in the left one, last one variable, so I write down that one. So here you see when I find the x, y, z, so I need to write the serially number a to z. So I do that one in the last line. Just I didn't do the extra thing, just I write down 48. A, B, C, this is the serial variable, that's why alphabet, that's why. So x cube, y to the power 6, z to the power 4. So this is the way how can I multiply monomial by monomial. So next class I show you the binomial and polynomial, so stay with me. Thank you.